If a child is learning to read English or struggling with letter sounds, this video is for you. I'm going to show you everything inside the PVPA Phonics app, from how to sign up for free to the lesson, games, AI tutor and more. I'll show you the AI features that most parents don't even know exist. PVPA Phonics follows the synthetic phonics method. That means we start with individual letter sounds, then teach children to blend those sounds into words, then into sentences, then into stories. It is the most evidence-based way to teach reading, and now it's all in one app. Level 1 is completely free, no credit card, no trial period. Just sign up and start. Let me show you how to get started. Go to pvpaphonics.com. You will see the landing page. Click sign up free. Enter your name, email and password. That's it. You are in. You can soon download the Android app from Google Play. It will be available soon. Once you sign up, you land on the dashboard. Let me walk you through everything here. This is the student dashboard. At the top, you can see your child's name and their star count. Stars are earned by completing lessons. On the left, you have lessons, games, stories, and the store. At the top right, you have the AI feature button. We will come back to that. The dashboard shows you progress, how many lessons are complete, which level you are on, and what's locked versus unlocked. Level 1 is free. Level 2, 3 and 4 unlock with a one-time payment. No subscription, you pay once and keep it forever. Now, let me show you how the lesson works. When you open level 1, the first thing you see is phonemic awareness. These are oral only lessons. No letters on screen yet. We start with rhyming, syllable clapping, onset and rhyme, oral blending and oral segmenting. These are all listening activities. The child learns to hear sounds before they ever see a letter. This is the correct sequence, ear first, eyes second. After that comes phonics foundation. 3 lessons. What are sounds, vowels and consonants, and short vowels. Introduction. Now we introduce the vocabulary, phoneme, grapheme, vowel, consonant. The child understands what they are about to learn. Then we go into the 26 letter sounds. Each lesson is one letter. The screen shows the letter, an action, a picture and a practice word. The child hears the sound, does the action with you.
Now trace lower. Amazing.
The letter. Tap the sound card. It plays the exact correct phonics sound, not text to speech. After all 26 letters comes tricky letters B and D confusion and P and Q confusion, C versus K rule and QU. These are the letters that trips children up the most, and we give them a dedicated lesson. Then blending, this is where reading begins. We go group by group, SAT first, then IPN, and then CKE and so on. Each blending lesson has the pyramid structure. You build the word step by step, one sound at a time, until the full word appears. Then CVC words, short vowel words, using all 26 letters. The child is now actually reading. And finally, tricky words. Sight words that don't follow phonics rules. We teach these separately, so there's no confusion. That's the complete level 1 journey, and every step is right here on screen. Now the game zone. There are 8 phonics games, and each one reinforces what the child is learning in the lessons. First of all, letter match. Match letters to pictures, great for letter recognition. Then comes sound safari. Listen for a target sound in a word, builds listening skills. Then comes rhyme time, find the rhyming word, phonemic awareness in the game form. Then phonics bingo, mark sounds on a bingo board as you hear them. perfect for a class setting. Then word builder, well, CVC words letter by letter. This one is the great for spelling practice. Spell the word. Hear a word and type the spelling.
Pig.
Dictation as a game. Sentence builder. Arrange words to make a sentence. Move the child from word level to sentence level. Then comes digraph detective. Find the hidden digraphs inside a word. This is a level game for more advanced learners.
Correct.
The game unlocks at different levels, so as your child progresses, new games open up. This is one of my favorite features, decodable stories. A decodable story only uses words the child can already read based on the sounds they have been taught. There are no random hard words thrown in.
Sam.
The child can tap any word to hear it. They can read along or
He
listen.
could. Sam sat in the sun.
Stories are organized by level, so they always match where the child is in the program. This is how children build reading. Confidence, not by guessing, but by actually reading words they know. Now, meet Pearl. Pearl is the AI tutor inside the app. Your child can type or ask Pearl anything about phonics, and Pearl gives a child-friendly, phonics-accurate answer. Pearl is built on a safe system. It only talks about phonics and learning. It won't go off topic. It won't discuss anything inappropriate. It's designed specifically for children. Parents and teacher can also use Pearl to ask questions about how to support their child's learning. Now, the AI feature section. This is premium and this is where it gets really powerful. There are 3 tools here. First, the AI quiz. You select the level and topic and the AI generates 5 custom phonics questions instantly. Multiple choice, true or false, and spell it question. It's different every time. Great for quick revision.
Amazing. Amazing.
Second, reading check. This is the pronunciation tool. The app gives your child a word, they say it into the microphone, and AI tells them if they said it correctly. It's powered by Grok Whisper AI. If you don't have a microphone, there's a type option too. Third, Pearl's tip. This is for parents and teachers. You type any phonics question. How do I teach blending? What are tricky words? My child struggles with magic key. And Pearls give you instant practical teaching tips. You can also tap quick topic buttons if you are not sure what to ask. These 3 tools together make the app feel like you have a personal phonics coach on call 24/7. Inside the app, there's also a worksheet section. These are printable phonics worksheets organized by level and topic. You can use them alongside the digital lesson for handwriting and offline practice. They are perfect for classroom use or take-home work. Parents and teacher can see exactly where the child is at any time. The progress dashboard shows which lessons are complete, how many stars they have earned, and which level they are working on. Teachers have their own dashboard where they can add students, see individual progress, and monitor the whole class from one screen. Now, let's check Pearl Shop and rewards. So, children love the Pearl Shop. As they earn star by completing lessons, they can spend those stars on cosmetics, avatars, profile, frames, titles, and themes. It's our version of reward system. It keeps children motivated to come back and complete more lessons. So, that's everything inside PVPA Phonics. Lesson that follows the exact synthetic phonics sequence, 8 games, decodable stories, Pearl the AI tutor, AI quiz, reading check, and Pearl tips, worksheets, progress tracking, and a reward shop. Level 1 is free. Go to pvpaphonics.com right now and sign up. It takes 2 minutes. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe because every week I post a new phonics teaching video. Next week we are starting from the very beginning. What is phonemic awareness and why it's the first thing every child needs before they even see a letter. See you in the next video.